Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the Beehive. Today, I'm going to take you to my Dollar Tree. We are going to go look at what they have in stock for this season's gardening, if you will. And I think it's so cool to kind of share what everybody's Dollar Tree has because they all seem to be a little bit different when I look online, but a lot of this stuff is similar. But just know if you see something in my video that you do definitely want, go onto their website because you could probably purchase it as well. But anyways, let's go to the Dollar Tree and see what they have in the garden center. All right, let's take a look at all the good stuff that's in stock. I just love going this time of year. All right, so let's go with the seeds and the starters. There's a lot to offer here. Four for $1, that's amazing. With your flowers and your vegetables, stock up because honestly, this is what goes really, really fast. Like they'll be gone before it's even time to plant. We have a lot of vegetable options as well. I did pick up some for myself. But yeah, these seeds, I mean, I've used them in the past. They work great. They grow great. I've never had no problem. So check that out. And then of course we have a little bit more on the specialty side of things here with vegetables. And look at those radishes. Those are cool. String beans, a lot of options. Carrots, look, you can already see some things are already gone, right? And then, of course, we got some more specialty items as well. Some of it's duplicates, but you can see they got flour, thyme, sage. This is such an inexpensive way to start an herb garden. Check that out for sure. And then look at these. Okay, so they're pollinator plants. How cute. I didn't get any. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used those before. But they had a couple different kinds, as you can see, and then they also had some of the wildflower flower blend for like hummingbirds. I've never used that. Beautiful flowers. I've never used the one where it has a lot of different like seeds in it. And patience are good. You should definitely get some of those. Some flowers help ward off pests in your garden. And then I was looking at these, but I think somebody just left them there because I found them later on. You'll see. There they are. So honestly, that's a pretty good deal. 6 for $1. The little ones are 12 for $1. $1.25. I'm sorry. Um, but yeah, I think Timu's got them cheaper. Look at those little flower things. Those are cool. And then the rocket herbs. I just love the garden decor. I mean, look at these little flags. They're so cute. And look, our theme is the beehive, right? I should go back and get that. I didn't get it. And then a small little trellis. And then, of course, you got to get your gardening gloves and things like that. And they have some nice hanging basket things right there as well. Again, I don't do those. I should, though. Now, I do buy these. These are good. So those are for, if you just want to hang like a chime. But yeah, I just love the Dollar Tree for these little things. Look how cute that is. And then I was messing with it. You'll see here in just a minute. The little flower on there spins. Look at that. It's so cute. So yeah, and more gloves. These are a little more fashionable, if you will. Have like nice prints on them and stuff. So they also have microgreens. I've grown these before and they grow really, really well. So check that out. And then we have some seed starter things here. I've used these that I've never had good luck with them, to be honest with you. They dry out quick. A lot of options for your container growing here. And I just thought that was cute. I thought last year that was in the $5 aisle. I didn't remember it being $1.25. Those are nice. You get two. Those are the small ones. You can see the big ones there to the left. I've used those as well. I don't recommend getting the potting soil that you see down there. That's a nice little watering jug though. Just something simple. And then of course they got more gloves hanging there. These little trays too are cute. They got wheels on the bottom, so they roll. I do use these to put my smaller pots in sometimes, and then I water it from the bottom. That works out really well. I have some of these as well, and they work. I like those. You just fill them with water, put them in your plants, and it slowly waters them. And then, of course, we have some edging, if you will, if you want to put like a garden fence around your edge of your garden. Those are really nice. They're a little flimsy, but they're fine. Do not buy this stuff, okay? Just make it yourself. That is so not healthy for the hummingbirds. We got a little knee pad Doesn't ever hurt, right? And it looks like these were popular. So, plant brackets, woodpecker dough. Again, must be popular. They're almost out. And then you stick it in that little cage right there. I love those. And check this out, gardening tools. Like, this is such a good deal. $1.25, and those were really nice quality. Very nice quality. Don't leave them out in the rain. They will rust. They're not like the best quality, but super durable. Well worth the $1.25 for those. And then, of course, you can line some of your baskets with these. It helps hold moisture for your roots and things like that. Actually got one of these. These were made out of metal. Let me see if I show which one I actually got. I was flipping through them. I don't think I got the butterfly one. I kind of thought I was going to, but then I didn't. That's the one I got because of the beehive. Hey. All right. And here we are with some plant hanger chains. Look popular, obviously. So grab you some of those if you see them. I need to get into some hanging plants. I don't have any. Here's some more tools. $1.25. Like I said, you can't beat it. Those are great, great deals on those. If you look on Amazon, comparable, like they're higher. These are good quality. They're not the greatest. They are kind of plasticky, but they do come in a variety of colors as well. And they'll probably last you a couple seasons, especially if you take care of it and put it away. And then, of course, more cute little garden decor there. I just love their stuff. It's so cute. I want to buy it all. Look, there's a little bee flower pot there. I was like, oh, look at that. It's tiny, though. It's cute. I mean, $1.25. Why not? I didn't get it, though. And then here's some more decor. Look at the glazed mushrooms. How cute would that be in your garden? If you had like a little fairy garden and you got some gnomes and some cute little rocks with little sayings on them. And these garden stones, those are so cute. Really good quality too, the little stepping stones. Oh, the butterflies. I just love those. So I was going to the plus aisle, but then I noticed these. I have actually gotten these before. The little pinwheels. How cute. They got different colors this year as far as those go. They always have those, it seems like. Like the, I don't know, glittery looking ones. They're not glitter though, but there was a whole wall of them. And they weren't even in the garden section. I guess they just didn't have enough room. I've never seen those ones, the iridescent ones. Those are cool. Check this out, little fairy lights. Let me know if you've ever gotten these before. I did find another kind as well, and I come across these. I should have got one of those. You guys, I just need to go back. Aren't they cute? The little bee themed gnomes, be humble. Ugh, I don't know what it is. I just love it. Be kind or buzz off. There's some more of those pots too. They had a lot of bee themed items. And there's the other lights. Those ones look like they're a little bit better quality than the other. And then I went to another part of the store and you can actually get like your Easter themed, garden decor. How cute. They had a lot of these. They must have just put those out because these kinds of things go quick. And then I come across the frogs. Look how adorable they are. Oh my goodness. Can't help myself. Okay, run, don't walk. Go get you one of these. I regret not getting one. I need to go to my other Dollar Trees, but those are floral misters, and actually, they are kind of nice. Have any of you ever used the fertilizer sticks? I've never used those. I wonder what kind of quality they are. I have these clips. You get a lot for $1.25, two different sizes, like small and like a larger size. That's a good deal. Garden inside with these cute little signs. How adorable love grows here. They're like so adorable. They had different kinds. That one's like a lobster. All right, we've made it to the plus. These are a pretty good size. $5. I think it's a pretty good deal. You will have to put some drain holes in there, right? Again, pretty simple. Those are pretty simple, but I think they'll do the job. The quality was pretty good on them as well. And then they had some plant stools. Those are kind of cool. Those were $5 a piece. So let me know if you've ever gotten those. Looks like they're still trying to stock our shelves, but look at all the little decor and things that you can buy. Really cute. Okay, so we are back, and I do want to show you what I ended up getting at the Dollar Tree. So I did get this thermometer, and of course I had to get the bee theme, right? But these are metal, really, really good quality. And then I got some seed packs. Let me show you which ones I got. All right, so I got some Swiss chard. I've never grown that before. Beets, I'm thinking I already had these. I don't know why I bought another pack, but hey, I got more beets. I got some Snapdragon, eggplant, and then I got some more beans. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Stay tuned in the next couple days. I'm going to be posting another Dollar Tree video where I want to show you how you can store your seeds, because everybody's at different levels. And if you're a beginner and just trying to get started, organizing these seeds and keeping them in a cool, dry place throughout the year will keep them more fresh, right? So you know seeds don't expire. I do know that they do put expiration dates on them. However, they do not expire. The germination rate might go down a little bit. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if you've gotten anything at the Dollar Tree this year for your garden. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.